Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all to today's health talk. I shall be discussing with you in the next few minutes ways at which we can care for our kidney. It has been discovered in the recent times by the WHO that kidney diseases is one of the leading causes of death in the society, and we need to care for this kidney. Kidney is one of the organs of excretory system in the urinary system of an individual. It plays a very vital role in excreting waste products out of the body system. Waste products that include the urea, the uric acid, creatinine, and among others. Those products need to leave the system as soon as they are being filtered by this kidney from the blood system. Ways at which we can care for this kidney. One is that we should stay hydrated. Staying hydrated means that an individual needs to drink a lot of water. By drinking a lot of water, you probably make the kidneys to function maximally, like other body cells too. Drinking about 4 to 6 liters of water every day will keep you hydrated, will keep the body functioning maximally, including the kidney itself. It is recommended that to stay hydrated, we need about 4 to 6 liters of water every day. Whether you are eating or you are not eating, it is very important that you drink a lot of water. 2, in taking care of our kidney, we need to limit our salt intake. In the salts, there is sodium. Sodium has the capability to retain water into the intravascular system of an individual that increases the intravascular volume, thereby resulting in very high blood pressure. And when the blood pressure of an individual is very high, it poses a lot of risk on the body organs, including the kidney. When the blood pressure is very high, it affects the kidney function greatly. However, we need to oversee the production of our food, and our wives too should be cautioned to limit or reduce the quantity of food and salt put in our foods, so that we will stay healthy and our kidney will function very, very high. If the sodium is too much in a diet, it makes the kidney to accumulate what we call a kidney stone. And when there is a kidney stone in the kidney, that kidney will not function properly and is a problem. That individual might develop what we call a chronic kidney diseases, CKD. Also, we need to eat some food that are balanced in diet. We call it balanced diet, that has appropriate proportion of multivitamins and minerals to keep us healthy, to make not only the kidney but other body cells and organs, to keep them functioning maximally. We need a balanced nutrition that contains adequate proportion of multivitamins and the minerals. Also, to keep the kidney functioning very well, we need some food supplements. Some food supplements which can be gotten from some drugs that are multivitamins. Vitamin B6 is an essential vitamin that maintains the function of the kidney. It reduces the kidney stone, like I've said, in the accumulation of kidney stone by the sodium. Vitamin B6 helps to reduce those kidney stones in an individual who has already accumulated the stone there in the kidney. Then there is something we call hydrographic. It helps to reduce the effect of alcohol on the kidney. Some people are drunkard, they drink a lot. When an individual takes a lot of alcohol, it reduces the function of body organs, including the kidneys. However, in taking andrographic, it reduces the effect of that alcohol on the kidney. So also, vitamin D. Vitamin D too helps in nourishing the cells of the kidney. However, making the kidney to function at its best. In caring for our kidney, also, we have to avoid some artificial sweeteners. These artificial sweeteners are found mostly in cakes and some canned foods. Apart from the taste, the majority of us know that artificial sweeteners are very sweet. It damages the taste bud on the tongue, and also pose a very great risk on a patient who is diabetic. And whoever is diabetic has the tendency to have kidney damage. It can affect the kidney. However, anything that has to do with artificial sweeteners that we can find in the cake, also in some juice, in some canned food, it should be avoided totally. It should be avoided totally to keep our kidney functioning at its best. Number 5, there's what we call a 2-day kidney cleanse. We should always exercise this occasionally, not always. 2 days kidney cleanse means that you abstain from your routine meals. All those food you love most, you abstain from it for 2 days, and you go on fruit and water alone for good 2 days. It detoxifies the kidney. If there is anything disturbing the kidney function, once you stop those food and you go on water and fruit alone, it makes the kidney to recover quickly. The kidney will recover quickly and therefore function maximally before you resume your normal meals. It is very important. Let us take note of this and practice it occasionally. Maybe in every 2 months, in every 6 months. It's very important. Then, number 6, in taking care of our kidney, please let us avoid retaining urine for a longer period of time. It is very bad. That habit is bad and damage this kidney as fast as possible. How? When the kidney produces urine and the urine goes into the bladder for temporary storage, on getting to the bladder, when the bladder fills to its brim and you did not void the urine out and you kept it stored for a longer time, what we call reflux into the kidney will happen. That is, part of those urine will be refluxed back into the kidney. And we all know that urine gathers some bacteria a lot. After a few hours of production of urine, some bacteria will keep growing in the urine, and that is what is responsible for its bad smell after a while. So if such urine is kept so long in the kidney, it will reflux back through the ureter back to the kidney, and it damages the kidney a lot. And this habit is common to our females, to our women. Until they get to a particular place they can urinate, they will keep the urine in their bladder, which is very wrong. Look for a way to void out your urine in as much as you started feeling pressed. It is very important. Let us not damage our kidney. I believe with these few tips, we can take care of our kidneys and we stay healthy. Kidney kills a lot if it's damaged, if it's not functioning well. Please, I'm begging you, let us stay hydrated, eat multivitamins, supplements, avoid artificial sweeteners, avoid keeping your urine so long. It damages the kidney. Please stay healthy and take care of your kidney. Till next time we meet and discuss again. Thank you so much.